Hi, I'm Jimmy Hickman, and I'm graduating with 2 associate's degrees in advanced manufacturing. I've learned a lot, learned a ton through my classes, but also learned how to time manage and things like that while working full-time. I'm also a full-time father. He's 8 years old. I have a second one as well who is 8 days old. No one's ever went to college in my family that I know of. I was 14, I went in DCS custody. I bounced in and out of foster care, having to find multiple guardians. When I turned 18, I decided to go down the wrong path, same path my parents were on. I ended up in some legal trouble, landed myself in jail multiple times, and by the time I ended all of it, I made my way to the penitentiary when I was 20 years old. I got out in 2023, immediately had a job, and took the extra money I had to come straight to Calhoun. And through this place, I have successfully changed my life around. I already had my child, and he needed me. The way I felt about my parents, I couldn't stand the thought of him feeling that way about me. And I wanted to change it. I met my wife, I've done well with her, and we just had a newborn, and I'm able to fully financially take care of my whole family. I've got my first job as an automation technician. I got that job as soon as I graduated. I plan on mastering my trade, getting as good as I can at that. Calhoun really gave me the chance to come in here and make something of myself.
Robert James Hickman.